Most creators ignore YouTube comments, not because they don't care, but because manually reading and analyzing them takes hours. Today, I'll show you how to automate the entire process. You'll go from raw YouTube comments to a detailed AI-generated insights report delivered straight to your inbox using GPT-4o, Google Sheets, Gmail, and n8n. Let's build it. This workflow. Understanding your audience should be easy, but it's often buried under dozens or hundreds of comments. This workflow is designed for creators, marketers, and businesses who want to monitor audience sentiment in real time, identify viewer questions, pain points, and suggestions, get a professional summary in their inbox every time a new video is added. With just a Google Sheet and a few API keys, you can automate this entire process through. Step 1. Google Sheets trigger. The workflow starts by watching for new video IDs added to a Google Sheet. Every time a new row is added, it kicks off the automation. Step 2. Fetch YouTube video details. Using the YouTube Data API, we fetch the video metadata and then pull all public comments on that video. Step 3. Prepare and structure comment data. The raw comment data is parsed and cleaned to remove noise. We organize it in a format that GPT-4o can work with, keeping context and structure in mind. Step 4. Analyze with GPT-4o. GPT-4o is prompted to classify sentiment, extract recurring themes or feedback loops, spot commonly asked questions, suggest areas for improvement. The result is a structured, human-readable summary with actual business insight. Step 5. Format HTML email and send via Gmail. Now we take the insights from GPT-4o, format them using HTML, and send the summary as a well-structured email report to the owner's inbox. Step 6. Mark processed row in Sheet. Finally, the Google Sheet is updated with a mail sent status, so we never repeat the same video twice. Real-world value. This automation isn't just a novelty, it directly saves time and improves your decision-making. Whether you're a YouTuber tracking audience sentiment, a brand manager monitoring campaign feedback, a growth marketer evaluating content strategy, this gives you weekly audience intelligence on autopilot. Setup requirements. To get started, you'll need a Google Sheet to track video IDs, YouTube Data API key, GPT-4o access, OpenAI or Azure endpoint, Gmail account connected to n8n, n8n environment running locally or on cloud. Everything else is pre-built inside the template. You just import and plug in your credentials. Conclusion and call to action. You now have a powerful, no-code system to automatically analyze YouTube feedback, generate insights, and keep your team informed without lifting a finger. The link to the full template and setup guide is in the description below. If this was valuable, make sure to subscribe because we'll be dropping more workflow breakdowns like this, focused on solving real business problems through automation. If you want us to build a custom flow based on your use case, leave a comment with your request.